Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? I am just stepping out of my studio. I very, very seldom show it. And today I am modeling. I'm going to be on the runway. So I've gotten all of my bits and bobs ready. I got my little jean shorts. And I'm making my way over. And usually I don't wear very much makeup. Let me come out here. There you go. I don't know whether you can see. Let me come to the light. There you go. So it's very, very simple, and that is it. And I just leave it for hair and makeup to do the rest. So let us go. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi, and you're so very welcome indeed. Did I mention that we're going to have a meet and greet? We're having a meet and greet, baby. We are having the most fabulous, the most wonderful Summer Splash Fumination meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumi Nation last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumi Nation extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. So let us go to the venue. Say hello, the designer. Hello. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Hello. Oh look, oh my God, I love it. Backstage Mania, so organized, and I'm really having fun. It's so nice to come back to work in such a wonderful atmosphere. And Adi Bakari is so talented. Just look at all of the clothes. And Adi, you bought all of this from Lagos, Nigeria.
Yes. There's some things that miss here.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh.
No.
And then these are the two pieces that I'm going to wear. So they're going to be pressed out. I am loving them. Loving. The hats are over here. And then look at this. So this is Mariana. I am absolutely obsessed with her. A personality for days. And then this is her look. We are living and loving. We are backstage now. And then we have Toby. He's my beautiful son. I've adopted him. Modelesque, so lovely. Hi guys. So here we are. Everything fits. I wasn't sure. I'm the oldest model. I'm 56. I think majority of them are in their 20s. Toby, how old are you? Toby,
33, but I look 30. So.
You're my son. You are my son, and I love it. Yeah.
Yes. And then and then this other dresses, you can try that.
Guys, you know I was a pageant queen back in the day. Let me just come and step all the way back. I was a pageant queen. I was Miss West Africa and I was Miss Nigeria. And so ever since then, I'm a judge at different pageants. This, my beautiful peach, was at Miss Caribbean, was it not? It was
Miss Angola.
And she was Miss Angola. I voted for her. I thought she was because you did well in the personality, you did well swimsuit, you did well in the walk. I fought for you backstage. You did, and I'm meeting her now. And look at, we're walking together.
That's crazy.
It's
a blessing.
It's a blessing, my daughter. I'm so proud of you.
Is that one? Is that your collection?
Yeah.
Still, yeah?
We last met and it was fantastic experience. All those people watching and all those wonderful models you judged.
Oh, thank
and do you remember who won?
Yes, I do.
Some problems with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you have the right, I won't take it anymore. I'm fed up with all your lies. You keep asking for forgiveness. Get ready for a big surprise. I'ma make you feel this one. I'm not sorry, I'm such a bad liar.
Yeah, baby.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now.
Guys, so that is it. The show was fantastic.
Yes, it was lovely.
Fumi Nation showed up
Yes,
and
they
showed
did.
out.
Yes, they did.
Oh my God, I am so humbled. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.
Yes.
Mwah. Bye.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
even pitch. Like there's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.